Hey everybody, Evan Bash, Orlando Realtor. I'm here at the Dario floor plan of the Enclaves at Festival here right outside of Champions Gate. It's an Ashton Woods community. These are two-story townhomes, about $300,000 to $320,000 for this particular four-bedroom with two-car garage floor plan. You're gonna see a pretty spectacular model here, wood-looking tile, 42-inch cabinetry in the kitchen, along with quartz countertops. All four bedrooms are upstairs. $245 a month for HOA includes amazing amenities along with them taking care of your yards. So let's take a look. So as you can see, you walk in, immediate, beautiful dining area here. Stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar at the island, beautiful cabinetry. Come around here to your family room, very warm, large, inviting. The end units obviously are going to have more windows, tons of natural light. So right to the right of the front door, nice little sitting area. There's a half bath over here. And then we continue on. Here's your kitchen. Plenty of storage underneath the staircase. Huge closet pantry. I don't know if the Cheerios are going to come with closing, but we can certainly talk to them about that. Very high ceilings here on the ground floor, which is great. Exterior door. Leads to a little side area to sit when the weather's cooler, or if you don't mind, a warm evening. It's a nice way to spend a meal or relax. We go up the stairs here. It'll lead you to all four bedrooms. It's a good spot for homework if this is a primary residence or just an area for someone for gaming. Washer and dryer. This is something I saw that I thought was really interesting. Kind of a nice spin on the Jack and Jill bathroom. So you've got this bathroom here, or I should say sink, countertop, vanity, and go through this door for your toilet and tub, and that leads you to this bedroom. It's just a nice twist on it instead of the usual pass-through for a Jack and Jill, just the way it's turned. Nice size closet. So those were two of the bedrooms. Huge walk-in closet, very deep, plenty of shelf space in the master. Gigantic, beautiful frameless shower. And that is the Dario floor plan here of the Enclaves at Festival in Ashton Woods. You're about 5 minutes away from I-4. You can be used as a short-term rental if you know someone that wants to move here or invest in here for Disney, the beaches, the casino, and right outside of Tampa. So many reasons to take a look at this community. Speaking with the builder, I know that there's plenty of incentive programs I'd love to talk to you about. Give me a call. I will get a haircut, I promise. My number is 407-864-0370. Two-car garage, Two-story townhouse, plenty of natural light. This is a great opportunity. Look forward to speaking with you.